Welcome. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, somewhere you can soften, settle, and simply be. Close your eyes if you haven't already. Allow your hands to rest gently on your knees, your womb space, or you can have your palms facing up to receive. Begin to draw your awareness inward. Feel your breath moving through you. Feel the space you take up. Feel the support of the earth beneath you. Let your breath begin to deepen. Inhale slowly through your nose. And exhale gently through your mouth. Breathe in, filling your belly, ribs, and chest. As you exhale, allow everything to soften. With every breath, let your body begin to ground. Imagine the weight of your bones settling downward, like roots reaching into the earth beneath you. Feel yourself arrive here in this body, here in this moment. Let your awareness gently travel down to the base of your spine. To your root chakra, your center of grounding, safety, and connection to the earth. Breathe into that space. Notice any sensation, color, energy, or emotion that arises. Visualize a glowing red light pulsing at the base of your spine. Warm, steady, strong. With each breath, this light grows brighter, anchoring you deeper into the earth. Say silently or aloud, I am grounded, I am safe, I am held. I belong, I trust, I am supported. Feel these words vibrating through your being. Let yourself feel what it means to truly rest in your body, to be supported, not just by the ground beneath you, but by the earth herself. She is ancient. She is wise. She knows how to hold you. Let yourself surrender to her steady rhythm. Like the roots of a great tree, you are connected, stable, unshakable. Breathe in strength. Breathe out tension. Breathe in safety. Breathe out fear. Breathe in belonging. Breathe out doubt. Now gently bring your awareness to your body again. Notice your breath. Notice the places that feel open, supported, and soft. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, bring your hands to your heart or to your low belly and whisper one more time to yourself, I am grounded, I am safe, I am supported. When you're ready, open your eyes, come back into your space, rooted, steady, and whole. This meditation is part of the Sacred Feminine Reset series. You can find the entire series in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. I'll see you next time.